Hey there, Pueblo, Colorado residents. Are you experiencing low water pressure in your home? Low water pressure is a common plumbing problem that can make everyday tasks like showering, washing dishes, and doing laundry incredibly frustrating. But don't worry, we're here to help you understand the causes and solutions for this issue. Low water pressure can be caused by a variety of issues. Some of the most common causes include clogged pipes, corroded plumbing, water leaks, faulty pressure regulators, and problems with your local water supply. Let's take a closer look at each of these. Clogged pipes are often the result of mineral buildup, especially in areas with hard water. Over time, minerals like calcium and magnesium can accumulate inside your pipes, restricting water flow. Corroded plumbing is another common issue, particularly in older homes with galvanized steel or copper pipes. Corrosion can create blockages and leaks, reducing water pressure. Water leaks are another culprit. Even a small leak can significantly reduce water pressure. Check for damp spots on walls, ceilings, or floors, which may indicate a hidden leak. Faulty pressure regulators can also be to blame. These devices control the water pressure coming into your home and can wear out or malfunction over time. Finally, the problem might not be inside your home at all. Issues with your local water supply, such as maintenance work or a drop in municipal water pressure, can also affect your home's water pressure. Here's a quick DIY tip to try and fix low water pressure. First, check your faucet aerators and showerheads. These can become clogged with mineral deposits. Remove them and soak them in vinegar for a few hours to dissolve the buildup. Then, rinse them thoroughly and reattach. If you still have low water pressure, it might be time to inspect your pipes or call in a professional. If you're not comfortable tackling this on your own, or if the problem persists, don't worry. Our team of qualified professionals in Pueblo, Colorado, can diagnose and fix your low water pressure issues quickly and efficiently. Call us today at 16147390141. We'll ensure your water pressure is back to normal, so you can enjoy a steady, strong flow of water in your home. That's 16147390141. Don't wait. Call now and let the experts handle it. Thanks for watching. For more plumbing tips, stay tuned.